right, guys. Porterville, California, Social Security Administration building. I'm out here with Tulare County Cop Watch and San Joaquin Valley Transparency. We're going to do a First Amendment audit to see if they respect our right to film in a public building.
What? It's against the rules.
What rules? What rules?
You guys have to leave.
We have a First Amendment.
Okay, I'm gonna start detaining you.
For what?
Huh?
You gonna put hands on us?
You can't be in here recording.
Well, you said that's a policy. That's not a law. It's your policy.
Okay. So who's going first?
You got us.
All right, come on.
You ain't putting hands on nobody.
Come on.
All of you. Where's your supervisor?
Come on. Get out. Read
your
the sign.
supervisor?
Read the sign. and
Where's
then
your
come back.
supervisor?
Don't worry about it.
Push in your.
Yeah, they're open. Go ahead, you go first. I'm not gonna take cuts.
He's got a gun though. Fire supervisor. That shit was
Okay, here it is.
Told you they always get crazy because they got guns.
See what they put up? See what they put up now?
What?
They put up the CFR. Read it, man. So this security guard tells us that we're not allowed to film in here and to read the policy outside. So if you look at the policy, it says we are allowed to film inside as long as we have prior approval. So he didn't ask us if we had prior approval. He just immediately told us we have to leave.
This dude, they think he's bad. F you. All because they got a gun, they think they're tough.
That's all new, man.
You're a bitch.
He's on the phone calling the cops. Wow. You crushed my foot, bro, when you were backing up. Oh.
With the gun. He was trying to grab me, bro.
Dude, he put hands on me.
Did he?
Yeah.
He tried to grab you, huh?
He did grab me. He did grab me. Yeah, man. I just kept walking. I thought he was, when he grabbed me, dude, and I started walking away, I thought he was going to pull me back. I thought he was going to pull.
Detain me out here, brother.
Dude, I thought he was going to pull me back. When he grabbed me, and I kept walking.
When I was in there at the end, I was like, gonna detain me.
Right. Wow. Well, I think we should, so they've got this new sign up now for going into the Soch buildings. So he's on the phone. He was on the phone for the cop.